Okay, what's up guys and welcome to the channel. It's been a minute since I've posted here, but today I'll be showing you and we will be unboxing and reviewing something that I've always wanted to have. So if you don't know guys, I'm an ICT technician. Um, I'm just beginning my career in ICT tech, and to scale up my add my skills and all that kind of stuff, there are some of the tools that I like to have, plus adding of the skills that I have and the ones that I'm adding. This is one item that I always wanted to have in my arsenal, so to say. So let's check it out and see uh, what it looks like, what it comes with, and what I think about it. Okay, so right here it is. So as you can see, it came last night, and because I've already opened it, so I just opened it to confirm the order was okay, but here it is. So I bought this online. I had it delivered to my place. So there it is. It's the Jakemi professional screwdriver set. There it is. So for the specific model number, it's the JM8139. You can see it's made in China because of this CN here. And once you look at this box, you can see this code here, the QR code right here. When you scan this, it takes you to WeChat. When you come on this side, you can see all the labels they have put in there: essential in life, also the brand name. And once we come around this side, you can see it says it's made by Yifeng Technology Electron HK Co Limited, made by Yifeng. Yifeng, that's it, Yifeng. So Jakemi. So Jakemi is one of those brands that in the people that do all the fixing of these things, like professionals. This is one of the brands that is up there in the list. So let's see what it looks like inside. So let's put this aside and lift this one up here. So to open this, you just have to take this up like this and open it up like that. And as you can see, this beautiful yellow box inside here. So once you look at this, you can see that there's this box. So yesterday it came in, it was wrapped in a paper, a thin paper that like maybe says about authenticity, is not been opened before, something like that. So I love the box. Looks small, compact, not complex to open. I love it. Let's put it aside. So let's take this one. So as you can see, on the front, right up here, you have the brand thing. So Jakemi JM8139CRV. And when you come in closer, you zoom in closer, you'll see it says 47 in 1 professional precision screwdriver toolkit, that 3 bits. So, and then you can see the picture of it right there and some demonstrations there. So once you go on the back side, it just says Jakemi. So when it's new, it has this paper that wraps around it like this, but you just have to remove it and it is okay. So as you can see, there up here there is a lock up here. So this lock, when you push it like this, it opens up, and then when you bring it back, it closes like that. So yeah, and the box, it's made of plastic, a kind of plastic. I don't remember the specific one, but it says on the box it is made of plastic. But you can see it's not easy like to break it. It's quite hard. You can see it's quite steady. And one more thing you'll see inside, everything is intact. It's tied down, so it isn't going to break easily when the box drops. So as you can see, looks quite good right there. Let me do turn around like that. Jakemi right there. Okay, so let's get inside the box and see what it is all about. So there we go. That's how you open it, and then we just press it like this, and there we go. So this is the full set of the box. So we'll start on this side. So one thing I love about this box is that things are tied down. So if you were to put it like this, upside down, you can see apart from these two, nothing else falls. And if you shake it, there is not much that is falling down. So let's put this back and continue with the review. So we'll start on this side. So there are these two screwdriver heads. So as you can see, this is a 0.8 and this is a 1.5. And then the next thing we'll check out is this. They are quite tied down, so as I showed you earlier, it's this. So this is used to pry open stuff when you're like entering stuff and like you want to pry it open around it. So this is what you use. I love it. And then there is this other one right here. So they say this is a roller opening tool. It's a JM0P06, a Jacquemich product. So there's that one. And then once we move next here, there's this spot right here. You will see it is written accessory in English and in Mandarin or Chinese. And then there is this box here. So this one, when you take it like this, you can feel that there's some tools in there. So we'll pop it open. So once you open this one, you can see there are a few bits inside. Okay, those are accessories. So for supplementing the bits that are already in here, is that one. There's this one. There's this one. If you bring it up close, I don't know if you can see the actual serial numbers or the type. This is a 0.8, and then this is a 1.5. So let's close this one and move to the next. So it fits there perfectly. So on the other side, there's this thing right here. So to remove it, you just have to pop this up like this. There we go. So and once you look at this, you can see this one side and the other. This side has a clip, so you can hold it down like on your shirt or something. And then the other side has this rolling here with a mechanism. So as you can see, it extends up to that point. You can see it's quite big. So once this is actually a knife and it's very sharp, I can confirm. So for some like a demonstration, let me show you something. So you can see it's cutting through like a butter. So you can pop it back like that, and you can adjust where you are holding it at. Okay, and then we can just pop it back in right there. And I want you to listen to the sound it makes when it pops back. Give me a minute to configure this. You can hear that? It's locked inside. There is no moving it. So, and then there is the next one is this. It is almost like invisible because it's black also. This is a Swiss tweezer, as you can see, from Jacquemich. So one thing I know this will be very useful. So when you pop it, there's this thing that is preventing it from being open all the time. But when you pop it, you can see this is its natural thing. So this is for picking up stuff. So like we can pick up this one like that. So when you're fixing your computer, you can pick stuff up like that. Anyway, so when you want to fix it back, you can just put this in, and there we go. Perfect. and then just return it to its safe spot. Okay, to where it's supposed to be. There we go. Okay, so and then the next is this one. So this is, let's pull it out like this. So this one, I love it because it's the magnetic one. So this is to supplement all the other ones. So once you can pop something in here, and because it's magnetic, it sticks in, and you can use it with all the screwdrivers here. So this is just one bit that is fixed in here, and this is 0.8. so yeah, that is it. So this, you can fix this one. And one more thing, you can, let me show you. You can see it's fixed in here, inside there, it can't move. So it's magnetic inside, so you have to add like bits here. So once you add a bit, it is fixed there, and it won't be moving around or anything like that, and you'll be able to work on your computers and your devices very, very well. So that aside, you can see there. So we will put it back, and you can see it's locked inside. So before we get here, so there's this one. This is an extender. So when there are long areas you need to reach, and the bits here are short, these are the bits. One thing you can do is add this one to this. Let me show you how you do it. So you pop this one up. So once you pop this one out, is this one, this bit here, you pop it inside here like this. So you can see it's locked in, and then you can just put this one inside there like that, and now you have a longer one. So you can just go in areas that are less accessible and deeper more easily. Okay, so let's put this one back. You can just pop it out like this, disassemble it, and you can add any other like inside there. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you guys, it's this bit here. This I want to be the last one. Let's turn it like that. So this one is one of the most useful tools. This is one of the most useful tools in the repair world and the fixing the technology world of those people who handle hardware and stuff. So because this is which you use to get into those tight spaces to pop them open, and it's very good. You can see it's like when you place your finger here, it's very comfortable. You can just pop stuff open like that, and it's quite hard, so it won't break easily. I love it very much. So we'll put that back there, and then you can pop it in like there, and then this one will just remove this bit here, and then pop it back in and just drop it there. Okay, and then that bit is home. Okay, and then there's this one. This is the suction cup. This is the suction cup. I have seen most suction cups are used in replacing screens. When you are replacing a screen or adding a screen protector or something like that, this is where it comes in very useful. So another tool that is quite obscure but it's very useful, it's this one. It's a seam ejector pin, a seam ejector tool, and I love it, by the way. This is having one extra of one of those ones. These ones comes in very handy a lot of times. So we are nearing the end of the video. If you like it so far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and now we are into the last part. So these are all the screw heads or the driver heads. So they are, I think, 35 of them. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 I think 30 of them or 35 around there. So what you do to open this one, it is kept safe with this mechanism, so you can't move, you can't remove it, and you can't access these drivers. So to do that, you just have to pop this open like that, drop it back like this. So once you pull this one back, and then this one comes up, and you can see, you open it up, and the screws are looking up. And one thing you can see, they say which type it is, a 2.5, a 3.5, a 2.0, 2.6, 2.0, and then there's signs here to tell you like what the screw that you are opening should look like. So you can see all those, and that is very useful information, by the way. You can see right there, very useful, very useful, by the way. I love it. And the screw mechanism, you can just take up that one, and then when you're returning, you see it's the right one, you press it back, and you have them in a very orderly manner. So when you want to return it, you just bend it like that, and then you push this one back right there, and this one is locked, and you are good to go. So anyway, that's it for this video. So when you are locking it, you just take this side like this, or the side that has things that want to drop, hold them well, and then close it up. So, and then there's this lock, push it on the other side, and you can carry it well around when you're going to the job site. I love it, by the way. This will come very handy in my work. So, and I am very appreciative that I'm able to afford something like this. It took a few months of savings and like looking for money and all that kind of stuff, but I'm very glad it's here now. Okay, thank you guys for watching. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also follow me on social media down below, and you can support me with the PayPal link down below, and hoping to see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.